Hey guys, Keely Reason here, owner of Love Up Adventure, where I blog about the marriage, relationship, intimacy, and marriage, and how you can go deeper with your spouse. And today I'm doing an unboxing from the Date Box Club. Okay, I'll put a link in the bio where you can go and check this out. So this is like a date night that they mail you, so you can do it at home. And it's like a subscription service, so it would come to you every month, or you could, sign up for as long as you wanted to, how often you want to do it. So I'm going to open it for the first time. Okay, so here's the box, love. Inside is some paper. Okay, so now I'm going to open this part and see what we got. Oh, all right, first off, there is an envelope. Okay, this one came with the instructions of what to do. I kind of expected that. All right, and so you don't know what the date is going to be. Okay, the Date Box Club, they'll send you the thing. It's like a surprise for you. This is Button Tree Paint Night. So in my kit, it says I've got an art kit. I do love this thing right here. And I've got, it comes with mixing palettes, masking tape, glitter glue, assorted brushes, acrylic paint, canvas boards, excuse me, paint instructions, sunny seeds. These are chocolate covered sunflower seeds. For anybody who has allergies, these have milk and soy. So that is something to consider. Now let's see. It also came with, all right, these are the little boards. Art Bites, all media art panel. So these are the little boards you're going to use. So it's like a at-home paint night. And they send you the art kit. Okay, so I'm going to open the art kit and see what's inside. Like they said, here's the tape. I'm guessing there will be instructions on what to do with all of these things. Yep. So it's just going to show you all the different things it has. It has the little, these are the dip things. Here's the glitter paint. Here's an acrylic paint set. You know what's really great about this specific kit is that when you are done with your date night, you'll be able to, reuse it. I can't get into that right in a second. And here's all the brushes. So 2 sets of brushes, one for each of you. So I've been to a paint night before, so I'm sure that, all the stuff is the same so that you guys can use the same brushes and do whatever you got to do based on the instructions. This is what I'm going to assume. I haven't read it yet. Okay, so step 1, set the mood. You'll be painting together. Set up your space, obviously. Snacks, if you want to, put out your paper towels, your newspaper. Then you're going to paint together. Decide what to paint. Do you want to create a painting together or maybe freestyle your own creation? We've included step-by-step instructions to create a tape painting or a button tree. Nothing can go wrong. So, I see. What they're saying is you can either paint your own thing or you can do with your tape, they've got a couple of different designs you can do. Or you can do partner painting. This is where one of you paints one half of the tree and the other one paints the other half, and you stick the two together. And then it'll actually show you how to do that. It says, for the one you're going to paint it all pink, the other one you're going to paint it all blue. And then you'll add your branches, and then you'll add different colors with white to create spheres in contrast. So basically it just shows you how to paint this very simple painting. Or you can do abstract tape painting, and they've got a few designs here. All right, let's see what else. Okay, so while you're painting together, they have several fun conversation starters. And then you can just go down this list And while you're painting, you can spend time talking to each other, you know, just like basically connecting. If you've ever been to like a paint and sip, this would be the same kind of thing, only at home with your spouse, and there are actual conversations for it. So this is like a very simple date night idea. All the stuff that you need for the date has been provided to you. You get the 2 little boards. You know, you can do the partner thing where you're putting them together and maybe display them somewhere in your house, or come up with your own works of art. And I'm gonna just tell you that if you are somebody who's automatically saying, look, I don't like art, I don't like doing art, I don't know how to paint, whatever, I will tell you that I have been to paint parties with people who do not paint. They would not consider themselves to be artists, but I've never seen anybody's artwork turn out bad. It always looks great, it always looks presentable. When you follow the instructions. So if you just follow the instructions on this thing, you're going to end up with something very, very similar. And it's definitely easy and worth it. And it is an experience with your spouse. Okay, guys, so again, this was Date Box Club. And I will put the description in the link in the footer. In the description of the video. So that you can know where to go to sign up for this if you want to check it out, and see what you get. You know, every month they're going to be sending out something different, so you're not going to have repeat dates. But it's just kind of fun because you open it up and go, what are we going to do tonight? Or you can open up in advance and then do the date night, you know, once you've planned it. That may be easier, but the idea behind the date box subscriptions is it just makes it very easy. They just give you everything you need for the most part. And so that is my unboxing of this. If you have any questions, obviously email me, Keely@lovehopeadventure.com. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I can't wait to talk to you guys later.